Hello, house surgeons and PG aspirants. Think big and dream big. Now, I will be discussing your blueprint to success. Every one of us wants to be successful, but what are the methods to gain it? In the beginning, all of us would be not knowing anything. So, are you one among them? Do you have a question? How to start the preparation? How to organize the revisions, how to tackle deadlines, how to cope up with anxiety, how to use mind power techniques, how to improve memory, how to plan and organize revisions, how to take up examinations, and how to organize time. So, these are some 9 questions which is $1,000,000 question which most of the students are not able to handle properly. So, we in Edentu will be giving you an organized method of preparation. Dear students, there was a famous movie called Three Idiots way long back, which was super hit movie, and it was played between 2 characters. One was Amir Khan, whose name in the movie was Rancho or Ranchod Das Shamal Das Chanchad, and the other character was Chatur Ramalingam, who was also called as Silencer. This character called Chatur Ramalingam, he was a very hardworking person. He used to memorize everything what was there in the book, but that did not lead to him to be successful in life. Whereas Amir Khan, the character which was played by Rancho, he was very successful in life because he did the smart studies. Similarly, in MDS preparation, it is not about memorizing the questions. It's all about understanding the concepts and then building your knowledge in and around that. So, it's all about concepts. So, we in Edentu will be giving you all the necessary concepts and to attain a very good rank. So, to attain a very good rank, there are 6 steps. We in Edentu will give you an organized method of preparation. So, first and foremost, the start. The start is the first step and it is the most difficult and it is the most important step for anyone. So, once the start is there, after few months, you will be in the second step, that is the progress. We will monitor your progress and then we will tell you which subject you are having a good command and where you are lacking. And the third step will be the booster dose, where you will have subject wise grand test. And then you will have the fourth step, that is the eye opener, that will be your mock test, that is your NEET entrance mock test. The fifth step will be your battle, that is the NEET entrance exam. And the sixth step will be the aftermath, that is after your ranks are announced, your counseling starts, we will be guiding you in each and every aspect. So, dear students, we in Edentu will give you a thorough, well-planned, organized curriculum. So, if you are interested, do join us. Thank you.